Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out your income tax return. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, like receipts for charitable donations or medical expenses. Organizing these items beforehand will make the entire process much smoother and help ensure accuracy when you begin. Next, it's crucial to accurately report all your income. This means including not just your wages and salaries, but also any interest, dividends, or capital gains you received. If you're self-employed, you'll need to report your business income and expenses. Double-check that every source of income is properly documented and entered into the correct sections of your tax forms to avoid discrepancies. Now, let's talk about deductions and credits, which can significantly reduce your tax burden. Deductions lower your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Look for common deductions such as student loan interest, contributions to an IRA, or certain medical expenses. Make sure you claim every credit you qualify for, like the child tax credit or education credits, to maximize your savings. Finally, before submitting, thoroughly review your entire tax return. Check for any mathematical errors, ensure all personal information is correct, and confirm that all income and deductions are accurately reported. Once you're confident everything is correct, choose your filing method. Electronic filing is generally recommended for faster processing and quicker refunds. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.